My neighbor come relative cleared the UPSC 2025 exam and he's leaving to Labasna in the month of August. So I went to his home, collected his original test papers, spoke for almost 2 hours, and then he actively told me that there are certain things that I'm doing in my preparation which can cost me another year. Had it been a university exam, I wouldn't have to worry so much, but this is a competitive exam and even a bit of mistake here and there can actually cost one more attempt. And he told me what I have to do, what he did, what other things I have to appear for. He told APPSC need not generate or guarantee the rank, but there are certain other exams where a UPSC candidate must appear. Anyways, I'll try to tell more about this or try to bring the person in front of the camera. Currently, he's not at this house because he was going and giving interviews. I woke up in the morning, made myself some coffee, studied a bit at my own house, and then immediately I left to the library because it has been a hell lot of hectic week because I'm getting to know certain things and I was very disappointed to know that I'm doing certain mistakes. But it's okay. It's ultimately a journey and it has to be, I have to get adapted to the situations and ultimately it's the survival of the fittest. So I want to take this as a good move in my preparation than to see what mistakes I have done because he told me that it's a long way to go and it is better to be prepared along with the job. And he told me that other examinations are also good to go. So I will do that. This is the Atreyapuram Pootareklu. My friend got it for me. It is made up of one second jaggery and dry fruits and the reklu. I love this. This is one of my most favorite sweets. I rushed from the library just to eat this. I came from the library and again I started studying and the person's father told me that he had solved around 100 mock tests and I got to know when toppers say they have solved 100 mock tests, it's not literally sitting and solving. There are many shortcuts they are using. There are many active methods that they are using. I'll definitely talk more about this because I was super stunned. People are not just doing the work, they're doing it really smart and I have seen his copies and all of that. It is very different than I thought. I was sitting and I was hell bent on one lecture thinking I'm not understanding, but it's there it's an ocean of syllabus which we are supposed to cover. We'll come back to that in a while, but I have ordered this A4 sheet tray, document tray, something like that from Amazon. Costed me around 500 rupees. Why did I order? Because it's driving me crazy. My room is full of A4 sheets and some sheets are missing, some sheets are lying on the floor and we are advised not to write on the books because we have to keep updating. It's literally driving me crazy and I just did not like how the situation of the room is. So I have decided that I'll order it and I was searching and this is what I get very
found
messy and
better.
clumsy around the A4 sheets. I got a 3 tray A4 sheet set like this. These are free A4 sheets which I have not used. These are some A4 sheets that I'm making notes of and I have kept here. Here I'll see if I can keep any previous year questions and all of that. So this area is sorted. And individually, I also have this paper clips so that I can just get whatever I want. And most importantly, this costed me around 500 rupees. I'm very good and satisfied. To that, I made myself some watermelon juice and then I have had it because lately I'm getting super dehydrated and one of my friends also got hospitalized because of dehydration. I have studied and I could not document it because I don't like disturbing the flow. The next day morning I woke up pretty early. I think I woke up around 5:45 and then I hydrated myself, did some stretching. I have taken the morning basically for myself. Especially if I'm calm in the morning, the day will go really well. If I rush the mornings, the day will be out of my hands. So I nicely took the time for me and then I studied a bit. I was solving some previous year questions, by the way. And optional also have started because optional is something that we are not supposed to keep apart. And I was like, okay, that was the mistake that I was doing. So I have to restart my optional. This is the anthropology, if you're following me before. And then I went down. My mother made idli. By the way, we have to use a wet spoon when we take idli out of the idli patra, or else the idlis won't come. They'll cling only to the utensils. And then this is some homegrown vegetable. My mother made this thing out of it, and my mother also prepared ghee. We take the cow milk, and we at home only we prepare the cow's ghee cow's ghee gadu cow's milk ghee. So it was a beautiful combination if you can. You try it. I had two idlis and I was pretty full because it was homemade. And I also started eating light because I don't want to sleep in the afternoons or get lethargic. And I've come back to my room and then I started attending my lecture because mornings usually I have the state APPSC lectures, but I have to be more careful. I have to see how I have to go ahead with the APPSC group situation because I'm hearing different things about APPSC which are usually negative. Anyways, we'll get back to that. I'm also in this not so decided phase yet. I think I'll take some time to figure out, and it is so confusing lately. But before that, this is the package that I have received from the Amazon. We have the Amazon subscription. In India, we have the Amazon subscription for better rates only. For one full year, we'll pay the Amazon Prime subscription, and within 2 to 3 days they'll deliver. But if it is in cities like Delhi and other big cities, probably they'll deliver it in one day. Now here also they're delivering it in mostly at max one day. So I've ordered this, which you have already seen before. So it came like
See
this.
what
It
this
was
is
made
for.
in China. Had I known it before, I would have checked for some made in India product. I felt a bit bad, but there is no. I received it anyway, so I have kept it. First, I did not understand how to, fix this bare minimum basic thing. I felt like, oh my god, my brain is getting heated up lately that I'm not even understanding how basic mechanical things can
It's
be
bigger than
sorted out. I
expected.
was like, what the hell is this? It's not working. That shows that I'm very stressed lately, which I do not like. Anyways, maybe I should not look into such details because the devil lies in the details. I was getting super duper headache, which I could not really feel productive at all. But anyways, I have kept going. I showed up in the day, and I'm really happy. I'm proud of myself for what I have done. I've taken a bit of sleep, like nap, and then I have taken a tablet. That's Crenel. Usually we use it for headaches. And then I went to the library, and I took the day really slow. And I went for some stationery shopping also. I'll show you later. I got this pen and Reynolds Razor Gel and Flymax Gel, it seems. This costed 15 rupees per pen, but I went online and I've checked. Uh, this costed only 6 rupees per unit. When I went out and I have purchased for 8 pens, it costed 120 rupees, but online 40 pens only 220 rupees. Then I have realized certain things have to be purchased online. It's okay. And then I took a nap for a while, barely 20 minutes, and then I took shower because lately summers are like hell. And I started my answer writing practice for optional. So I was reaching some of the people on how to do self correction of the answer copies and all. So far I did not get any response. I have to see where I can get some help from because not so many people are professional and they are not doing their job well. It will cost us as aspirants. For them it's just money earning process, and I'm very dissatisfied. I went out, got a watermelon. That watermelon was 30 rupees, and a full bottle of coconut water. It costed us 120 rupees, and I asked him to give the coconut malai. I don't think he charged more money. He just added 10 rupees for that, and then he gave. So my brother recently made a recipe at home. We take the coconut water, and in that only we add the malai, and we blend them together, so that turns out to be like coconut milk. If you add more, it will become too heavy in fiber, but take more coconut water and also add the malai and then blend it,
This
add
is
a
the
bit of
final
glucose.
outcome.
Trust me, it was amazing. And I was full for like what, 2 to 3 hours. I added a bit of ice cubes and a bit of glucose into it. I was super duper full. I did not crave any junk, any rice, nothing. And my brain was working really well because I don't have any solid items or food heavy items in my stomach. And that was when I have realized the lesser I eat, but in a good, healthy way, the more sharper I am throughout the day. Anyways, in the evening, I have studied for a bit. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.